there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Everly wig by Estetica in the color R10 2480. I love this blonde. R10 2480 is a blend of 3 different blonde tones. One is sort of like a dark gold blonde, one is a medium gold blonde, and the other one is sort of like a light golden brown, all blended together. So it's a very pretty color. Before I do anything else, let me go ahead and show you what Everly looks like on all sides. Everly is super cute, though I do love the texture on Everly. I think that it's really pretty. Like, there's something very Victorian boudoir about this particular wig and texture. It's very pretty. And it's very thick. Like, you get quite a bit of hair with this one. And it is quite voluminous, especially here and down. Beautiful curl pattern. Just gorgeous curl pattern. But as you can see up here with the permatease and everything, you can kind of see some of the cap construction on top here. So, you know, if I bought this particular wig, I would either incorporate like a zigzag part, or, I mean, especially if I bought it in this color, I would get like a zigzag part, or I would root it with a Topics marker or something like that. You know, permanent fabric markers work really well too. But yeah, other than that, I really like this one. I think it's really beautiful on. I'm going to go ahead and take Everly off, and then I'll show you what the cap construction looks like. This is not as bad on top as some of the other open-capped Estetica wigs that I have reviewed, and that's why I went ahead and listed this one on the site, because I thought, because of how cute it was and the fact that this is still kind of salvageable, that it was worth carrying. The top is open, and it does have a generous band of permatease, especially here at the top. We do have open wefted sides, open wefted back with the hook enclosure, and an extended nape. The ear tabs are open, so this one's really easy to wear glasses with. And Everly does have a lace front. Let me go ahead and put Everly back on. And by the way, this wig fits big. She fits average large. So she's really comfortable on me. I mean, she goes right on. Boom. No wrestling, no fussing. It's one thing I love about the Estetica caps. They're great for slightly big heads. Let me zoom in on this lace front. So there you can see really light knots. So there's my bio hair under there, but really light knots kind of blend right into that front hairline. So it's kind of a sparse lace front that gets gradually thicker as you get up towards that permateased top. This is a 5.57 ounce wig, so she's pretty substantial in that regard. The bang is 9.5, but it's curled, so it sits a little bit closer to like 6.5. The sides are 13.75. The crown down is 11. Take all these measurements with a gigantic grain of salt, because that's all if the hair was straight and not curled. And the nape is 15.5. But as you can see, she doesn't hang like she's 15.5 inches at the nape, because curls. Now these curls will relax over time, so you will get a little bit more length out of Everly as you wear her. But right out of the box at least, this is what she looks like. And all I've done is run my fingers through her. Very cute wig. So this is the Everly by Estetica in the color R10/2480. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews. If you like what you see, please be sure to check out our wig store, which is just www.cysterwigs.com. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.